Let me guide you through a mindfulness session with hypnotherapy tool. Our session is gonna be to calm your mind, body, and focus on within, to release all the stress, obstacles, and unwanted feelings from your mind and body. If you find it a comfortable place where you can stay for a little while, I want you gently to close your eyes. Let's take together a really big, deep breath. Inhale it with your nose and exhale it through your mouth. Inhale it now. And exhale. I want you to see in front of you a beautiful forest. It's an afternoon time when the sun is bright enough, but still it's just so relaxing, so comfortable to be there and wandering around. This forest is magical because there is no one, just you. There is no animals, no nothing to be scared of, just yourself. This forest is your one. And now as we're walking through this beautiful forest, embracing the sounds, embracing the colors, that beautiful green color all over everywhere. From the trees, those leaves, and brightness from the sun, it feels just so good, so relaxed. Our aim is to find that beautiful waterfall, what we're seeking to reach by. That waterfall, we're helping us to relax our mind deeply, so effectively as we could charge completely from all the troubles, obstacles, fears, what we gathered all over in our life. As we're walking through that beautiful forest, I want you to embrace the feeling of your bare foot as you're taking one by one steps. And in your head you just wonder, where is the destination? Where is the sound of that beautiful waterfall, what you're aiming to find? As you're walking by, you just keep breathing, embracing that calmness, really calmness of that present moment. And you slowly start to hear the sound of water. So you start to walk through that sound to reach that beautiful place, because you know that that place is your truly internal charging point. As you're walking, you're feeling you get closer and closer. You're allowing your mind and body to get ready, because you're gonna see something marvelous, something really beautiful, something that you're seeking to charge from that pureness of nature, pureness of cleanness, that pure energy and vibe, what you're seeking to have with Him. And slowly, as you're reaching by that beautiful waterfall, is just so perfect. The nature has created something absolutely breathtaking. Is just to see is already charging you. I want you slowly and gently walk through that waterfall and allow your feet to reach. Allow your feet to feel the coldness of the waterfall. Slowly release your arms and hold it in your palms, the water as well. Charge yourself. That coldness is exactly what you need right here, right now, to clean and release everything from your mind, from your body. As you feel slowly that water is cooling you down, I want you to grab a amount of water in your palms and wash through your face with it. Take a big deep breath with me. Inhale it now. And exhale. I want you slowly to look up to the beautiful sun and just see in it. Embrace the warmness through the sun that provides you without of any effort. I want you just observe. Allow your mind and body get charged fully. Allow your mind to relax, because this place is just yours, nobody there. But if you wish, you can allow some birds to come along and sing for you with that beautiful tongue of voice. That tune is just so beautiful. Allow a little wind to come across and charging you fully. Smell the wind which is brought across along for you, that nature smell from the trees. Allow your mind to fully relax right here, right now. Another time I want you to reach with your palm to grab some water and allow it to pour it all over your top of your head. Allow the water get just relaxedly move along your body and freshen up your mind, your head. And if you are ready and wonder how is it feel that water to get fully into your body, if you want to get into that water, then take one step, slowly another step, and the last step, and just fully relax your mind and allow to get under this beautiful water in your own time, in your own space. Allow your body just to relax here. That water feels a bit cold but so refreshing. It feels just so perfect, exactly what you needed. Don't forget to breathe as you come out from the water. Take a really big deep breath. Inhale it now with me. And release everything that you had inside of you. Another one. Inhale. And exhale slowly, gently and firmly. Now I want you to get out from that water because you charged enoughly. Step off one of the rock over there next to you and allow the sun the warmness of the sun just warm your body up, dry you up from the bottom of your head, slowly down till your tiptoes. Love the sun make her own job on you by allowing you to feel loved, feel cared about, feel completely relaxed. Let's take another big deep breath together. And release. If you're feeling refreshed, charged, loved, and ready to come back to the real world, I want you slowly and gently on 3. As I count down, open up your eyes. On 3, you're feeling your arms and legs moving. On 2, you're feeling your heart and mind connected. And on 1, you open up your beautiful eyes. Welcome back. I hope this session helped you to calm your mind, releasing some stress and anxiety and fear, and allowed you to charge fully for a little while. See you very soon. Bye everyone.